morning students. Today we will start the new chapter, that is chapter number 11, direct and inverse variation. Now what are direct and inverse variation we will discuss, but before that let's just quickly recall what you have studied in class 7th. So first of all it is based on proportion. So before proportion we discuss about what are ratios. So what are ratios? Ratios are nothing but the comparison of two quantities which are of same kind. Like you can compare the height of two person, or you can compare the weight of two person. You can't compare weight with the height. Yes, so that is the reason we called as when we compare. Now comparison is of two types. One is by subtraction method, another one is by division method. Subtraction method, like for example, if a student scored 15 out of 20 and other students scored, B student scored 17 out of 20, so we say we score, like B student will say that I scored 2 marks more than the student A. Yes, that is called the subtraction method. But usually in day-to-day life we do the division method, so we convert it into it. And as you know that when we convert it into ratio, we always convert it into simplest form. Yes, first method, simplest form, it should be of same kind and the unit should be same. Why units should be same? Because when we do the cancellation, so unit will also be cancelled. That is the reason when we write the answer, it will never be in any unit, because units will be cancelled. For example, if we talk about the height of one student as 140 centimeter, another one is of 135 centimeter. Yes, so what we do, we cut centimeter and centimeter, convert it into simplest form to 27 and 28. So ratio will be 28 is to 27, and this is we called as is to. Yes, this is called ratio. Now what is proportion? Proportion means when two quantities are equivalent, we call as they are in proportion. When two ratios, or we call as when two ratios are equivalent. For example, if we say 2 is to 3 such that 4 is to 6. So how to check it? What we do the formula AD equal to BC. This is in the form of A is to B such that C is to D. So formula says AD equal to BC, or we can call as the product of means equal to product of extremes. These are extremes because they are outside it, and these are means. So formula says AD equal to BC. So 2 into 6 equal to 3 into 4, 12. So yes, 2 is to 2 upon 3 is equal to 4 by 6. So they are equivalent. We cut it, we get 2 is to 3. So this is called proportion, which you have studied in 7th standard. Now this